The Prophet ﷺ gave us this beautiful remembrance to start off our day outside of the home, right? So you wake up with fajr, with remembrance and things of that sort. But as you're opening your door in those moments and you're about to step out into the world, the Prophet ﷺ said, those two angels that are protecting you, they come next to you, and at that moment when you say, Bismillah, in the name of Allah, TawakaltualAllah, I put my trust in Allah, ḥawla quwwata illa and there's no power or might except that which belongs to Allah. The Prophet ﷺ said, when you say that as you're entering into the world, exiting outside of your house, those angels respond to you, and as you say Bismillah, they say Hudita, in the name of Allah, you've been guided. And you say TawakaltualAllah, I've put my full trust in Allah, they say Kufita, you've been defended against anyone that's going to try to harm you today. And then they say وَلَا ḥawla وَلَا quwwata illa and there's no power or might except that which belongs to Allah. They say Wuqita, and you've been protected from all harm for the day. And as you say that, as you're entering into this world, the two shayateen that come to attack you, two devils that want to attack you for the day, one of them says to the other, what can we do with a person who's been guided, defended, and protected? And so they know they can't mess with you for the entire day, and they abandon you for the